everyone, I'm Monica Santhanam, and welcome to the #GotYourBack Holiday Baking Event. The #GotYourBack Food Allergy Support Initiative and app were originally founded by me and my sister Anisha as part of FAIR's Teen Advisory Group. Today, we're bringing you a delicious double chocolate chip brownie cake recipe, which is sourced from busybcake.com. The best part of all, this recipe is free from the top 9 allergens. That means this recipe does not include wheat, milk, eggs, soy, fish, shellfish, peanuts, tree nuts, or sesame seeds. While we're baking today, our hosts are going to ask me a couple of questions on living with food allergies. So let's say hi to our hosts.
Hi everyone, I'm Karina and I'm the head of the JPS Weekly Committee.
Hello everyone, my name is Niharika and I'm one of the heads of the JPS Weekly Committee.
My name is Sandhya Santal Kumar and I am the Spirit Committee head.
Hi everyone, my name is Ishni Kaur and I'm the head of the Outreach Committee.
Hello everyone, my name is Navleen Kaur and I am the head of the Community Events Committee.
So now that you're ready, put on your aprons and let's get baking. Now, let's get our ingredients. First, get 1 cup of gluten-free oats. 1 cup of gluten-free oat flour. To make the oat flour, simply pulse 1 cup of rolled oats into a blender or food processor until it becomes the consistency of a powder. Then, grab 1/2 cup of non-dairy butter, make sure it's softened. 1/2 cup of cane sugar, 1/2 cup of coconut sugar or brown sugar. I'm using brown sugar because of my own coconut allergies. 1/2 cup of applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. Now, let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, grab a 9 by 9 inch round pan and grease it with some of your non-dairy butter. Then, you want to grab a large bowl and a whisker, and let's start mixing. First, mix together your butter and both your sugars. Now mix in your applesauce and your vanilla extract. Now we're going to put this mixture off to the side. And we're going to grab our second bowl to make our other mixture. Now we're going to mix together our dry ingredients. So you're going to take your oat flour and mix it together with your cocoa powder, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Now we're going to combine these dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So go ahead and pour this mixture into your larger bowl and combine. Now for our final step, mix in your oats and chocolate chips or chunks. Now we're gonna grab our greased pan and we're gonna pour our mixture into the pan. We're going to be baking this for around 25 to 30 minutes. To know that your mixture is done, stick a toothpick into your mixture in the pan, and if the toothpick comes out clean in the center, then that means that the recipe is fully cooked. Now let's put it in the oven. So now that your treat is baking, let's head over to our Q&A and learn a little bit more about daily living with food allergies.
What are your personal allergies, and when were you first diagnosed?
So I personally am allergic to all nuts, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, coconut, and shellfish. I was diagnosed when I was around 6 or 7, but I had avoided all these allergens beforehand due to my older sister being diagnosed a couple years earlier.
So the next question that we have for you is, how have social interactions been affected for you personally by your food allergies, and what are some of the challenges that kids and teens with food allergies face today?
For me, many social interactions that have been centered around food have been affected by my food allergies, like parties or other events. One of my strongest memories is always having to bring my own cupcake to my friends' birthday parties because I knew there would be no safe food for me to eat there. Many teens and kids with food allergies, just like me, face a lot of social exclusion and also safety issues in unknown environments. Whether it be constantly reading ingredients on food labels on groceries or inquiring about their allergens in the food they order at a restaurant, food allergic kids have to be hyper aware of their surroundings, which can often make them feel awkward or unsafe. However, I was able to overcome many of these challenges by educating my own friends over time and building a strong circle of friends around me to support me and help me feel safe.
How can those with food allergies and those without show their support and keep their friends safe?
As I mentioned in the previous question, education is super important. One of the best things that you can do to help your food allergic friends is understand them better and get to know what they can and cannot eat with their food allergies. This can allow you to help them feel safe, whether it be by providing ingredient labels for the food you put out at a party, or double checking that the food you provide them does not contain their allergens. Or, better yet, do something like we did and create an allergen-free treat. Whatever it is, you'll be able to support them and ensure that they feel safe around you.
What is one thing that everyone should know about food allergies?
I feel like one thing everyone should know about food allergies is that there's an emotional aspect to the challenges faced as well as the physical side of things. Other than running the risk of having an allergic reaction, many people with food allergies face emotional challenges in terms of making friends and feeling comfortable. Especially for teens and kids with food allergies, they face a lot of emotional stress, which makes it hard for them to have fun or go out to eat while staying safe. That's why it's important to educate yourself and others on how food allergies affect daily life and what you can do to help.
What is the message you hope to spread through this video?
With this video, I wanted to show you that there are many online resources to help you accommodate for food allergies. Many people with food allergic friends or family members are often unsure of what to make while keeping them safe. But with this video, we're able to show you that you can substitute out many common baking ingredients in order to accommodate for allergies. So with a little bit of research and a lot of support, you can easily make delicious treats while keeping your friends safe. Thanks for listening to our Q&A. Now, let's head back to baking. Once your timer is up, take your mixture out of the oven. Now, grab a toothpick and put it in the middle of your mixture and make sure it comes out clean. That means it's good to go. Now that your recipe's ready, it's time to dig in. Thank you for joining us for the #GotYourBack holiday baking event. Don't forget to follow our Instagram @GotYourBackInitiative and download our #GotYourBack app, an all-in-one food allergy management app to help keep you and your family safe. See you soon and happy holidays!